Hello beautiful! Today I'll do a look inspired by poker and cards. Interested? Then keep on watching. And let's start off our look with a primer to eliminate any possible creasing. Now let's go on to our eyeshadows and create an easy black and silver smoky eye. Start off with a silver eyeshadow. Using a flat shading brush, apply the eyeshadow to the half of your upper and lower lids. Using a fine brush, apply the black color to the outer corner. Create a shape that you want to have and slightly smudge the eyeshadow. Now take a large fluffy brush and blend the black and silver colors together to eliminate any harsh lines. It is time for the highlighter. Use any suitable light color under the arch of your brow. Our eye makeup is practically ready. All you need to do is apply some black gel eyeliner to your lid and waterline. Then you'll need to apply some false eyelashes to your upper lash line and some mascara to your lower one. Now we can move on to our face decoration. To create it, you would need to either work with common eyeshadows or cream colors. Today I'll be using some cream colors. The first color I'm going to use is going to be black, with the help of which I'm going to create contours of the cards first. Once contours are ready, you can start filling in your cards. I personally think that silver color looks better than white, so I suggest using it instead. So, take a flat stiff brush and fill in your cards with the background color. Okay, now let's do a little bit of shading because it will make our design look more flattering. As a shading color, I decided to pick the black cream color. Just pick up the corners of the cards that you want to darken a little bit and add some color to that area. Also, don't forget to blend the black and silver colors together to get a flawless final result. It is time to add some details to our cards. Obviously, it is up to you to decide what cards you want to have in your decoration, but I decided to go for 4 different aces. Therefore, I'm adding final details to cards with the help of the black and red colors and a flat concealer brush. We're nearly done. Use a bright lipstick on your lips and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay always happy, healthy and beautiful, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks and bye.